Can a VPN actually make your internet faster? It's a question many people ask, and it's a bit of a trick question. While a VPN's main job is to encrypt your data and protect your privacy, that encryption and the rerouting of your traffic through a server can often slow things down. But what if there was a way to fight back against that slowdown? Enter data compression, a feature found in some VPNs like CyberGhost. But the big question is, does it actually work? What is data compression and how does CyberGhost use it? Think of it like this. Every time you browse the web, your device is sending and receiving packets of data. These packets contain everything from the text on a web page to the high-resolution images you're loading. Data compression is a way of shrinking those packets. CyberGhost's data compression feature is designed to reduce the size of the data being transferred. This is especially useful for media-rich content, where images and other elements are the biggest bandwidth consumers. A great analogy is packing a suitcase. You can either throw all your clothes in and hope for the best, or you can use vacuum-sealed bags to make everything more compact. The end result is the same. All your clothes are in the suitcase, but the compressed version takes up far less space. Similarly, CyberGhost compresses your data before it travels through the VPN tunnel, meaning less data has to be sent and received. Does it actually work? The short answer is yes, but with a few caveats. CyberGhost's data compression is not a miracle worker that will suddenly double your speeds, but it can be effective, especially in specific situations. Here's why. A VPN connection inherently adds what's called protocol overhead. This is extra data added for encryption and routing. Data compression can help offset this overhead by making the original data smaller. This is particularly helpful on slower connections or mobile networks, where every bit of data counts. By reducing the overall data volume, you can potentially see a noticeable improvement in loading times. In some tests, users have seen a significant reduction in data usage when the feature is enabled, which can be a lifesaver if you're on a limited data plan. However, keep in mind that since it works by reducing the size of media and content, you might notice a slight degradation in image quality on certain sites. It's a trade-off: faster browsing and less data used for a small visual compromise. Should you use it? Ultimately, whether you should use CyberGhost's data compression depends on your needs. If you're on a fast, reliable wired connection and primarily stream 4K video, you might not notice much of a difference, and the minor quality loss on images may not be worth it. However, if you're on a mobile network, a public Wi-Fi hotspot, or a connection with slow speeds, enabling data compression can genuinely improve your browsing experience by making web pages load faster and helping you stay within your data limits. It's an easy-to-use feature that can provide a valuable boost when you need it most. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.